Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our NIEPS home school. My dear students, hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Sanjida Rahman. Today I am going to take a science class for the student of class 6, and our today's class topic is assignment number 5 and our lecture number 12. In this class, today's class, we will discuss assignment number 5, and this is your 19th week assignment. My dear students, let's start our class. At first, we read the question. Here, this is assignment number 5, and this assignment is from chapter 8. The name of the chapter is mixture. Here are lesson numbers and topics. Lesson 1 and 2, mixture and solution. Lesson 3 and 4, solute and solvent. Lesson number 5 to 7, structured and unstructured, unsaturated solution, saturated and unsaturated solution. Lesson number 8 and 9, universal solvent, and lesson number 10 to 12, making crystals of salt from saline water. Now, assigned task, that means the work given for you to do by yourself. This chapter is a mixture chapter. So, in this from this chapter, the assignment is, here is a picture, the picture of a jhalmuri, and in the first pot jhalmuri, in the second pot polluted saline water. We see the picture, in there is a beaker, and in the beaker there are saline water, but this saline water is not pure, it is a polluted saline water. Now your work, in which pot there is heterogeneous mixture, why it is heterogeneous mixture. Number 2, write the technique of making crystals of the salt from the second pot and write in poster paper backside of calendar. So this is your assigned task for you. Now instruction number 1, students will mention in which pot there is heterogeneous mixture and explain with logical reasoning. Number 2, students will do the experiments on making crystals of salt from polluted saline water and write the techniques of making crystals in poster paper or art paper or backside of the calendar. Here is the instruction for you, and you have given 2 work. In the work, there is in the first there is 2 pictures. In the first picture you see the jhalmuri, and in the second picture you will found polluted saline water. Now we do the assignment. My dear students, assignment is for you. You will read this chapter and do by yourself. We give you some instruction how can you do the assignment. We just help you. Here, 19th week assignment, class 6, subject science, assignment number 5. It is very important what is the number of the assignment and what is the number of the name of the assignment. Many of you write wrong name of the assignment and write wrong number of the assignment. So be careful when you write the name of the assignment and giving number of the assignment. This is assignment number 5 and assignment title mixture. Then here is 2 questions. In which pot there is heterogeneous mixture? Why it is heterogeneous mixture? Answer to the question number 1. According to the stem, we found heterogeneous mixture in the first pot. That means in the first pot there is a jhalmuri, and jhalmuri is a mixture of lots of things. Here is the puffed rice, chilies, salt, onions, mustard oils. So lots of things are mixed in the jhalmuri. So whatever we prepare by mixing more than one different substances or items are called mixture. So from the jhalmuri we can find out the puffed rice, we can find out chilies, we can separate onions. So this is not a soluble mixture, it is a heterogeneous mixture because we can differentiate the components from the mixture. So whatever we prepare by mixing more than one different substances or items are called mixture. The mixtures whose components are not distributed uniformly in the mixture and the components can be easily separated from one another are heterogeneous mixture. So these kind of mixtures examples are emulsion, gel, solution or salt. So in this question, jhalmuri is a heterogeneous mixture. So after reading the definition of the heterogeneous mixture, we can understand that jhalmuri is a heterogeneous mixture because we can separate the components from the jhalmuri. Now answer to the question number 2. Question is, write the technique of making crystals of the salt from the second pot and write in poster paper or backside of the calendar. The technique of making crystals of the salt from impure saline water of the second pot are given below. Task: to make crystals of the salt from saline water. Required accessories, book page number 17. In your book, this assignment come from your book. In the book page number 79, lesson number 10 to 12, making crystals of from saline water. Here is the task: to make crystals of the salt from saline water. Required accessories. Here it is written which accessories you need to do this task, and here is also write the procedure. You write the procedure from here, and here there is another procedure written here. Then after cooling down the beaker, do you see any changes? Then these grains are the grains of the salt being to accumulated on the bottom or wall of the beaker. These grains are the crystal of the salt. This process of making the crystals of the salt is called crystallization. Some time to get crystals from the saline water. A few salt grains are to be added in it from outside, and this granulated salt accumulated quickly surrounding the added salt. Here is the procedure. I write only 4 procedure. You will write the full procedure of making these crystals. Number 1, make a mixture by taking 200 ml and water and 50 gram impure salt in a beaker. Number 2, make a salt water solution, pour saline water by filtration. Number 3, now take saline water in a beaker, keep it on the wear net over the tripod stand. Here is the picture. Number 4, now continue to apply heat with the help of a burning spirit lamp. Now you give heat to the saline water, and after when this water vaporized, then you found the crystal of the salt. So here is the figure making crystals, and figure number 2 drying crystals. We dry these crystals. You must add this figure in the assignment, and you do this assignment in art paper, and submission date of your assignment is 23 October 2021. 23 October 2001, and you do this assignment in a art paper. You found this task in the page number 79. You do this assignment by yourself, and after the puja vacation you will submit this assignment. This is your work for the puja vacation. My dear students, I hope you will do the assignment properly, and you must do this assignment in an art paper and submit it on the 23 October 2021 and enjoy your vacation. Till then, keep well. Assalamu alaikum.